Hi guys, welcome to a snippet of a video. Nothing to do with the Green today, but I went round to visit my mate Tony and I took with me my 150 Sprinter. Unfortunately I forgot to take my phone with me, so I didn't get any video, so Tony took a short little video clip and sent that through to me, which is what we're about to watch. So the video is shorter than anticipated, but let's play trains. The next one is the buzzer. So there we go, quick little circuit of the 150 driving around Tony's started layout. I'm now going to go to the kitchen and I'm going to get this out, little train set, and have a play trains old school. So I'll see you next time. Enjoy modelling, stay safe. See you.